Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of freelance and self-employed accounting. Specifically, we're talking about QuickBooks Self Employed, a popular option many freelancers swear by. But before you jump on the bandwagon, let's take a critical look. Is QuickBooks Self Employed all sunshine and rainbows? Or are there some hidden clouds lurking beneath the surface? If you're a freelancer just starting out, managing your finances can feel like a whole new ball game. Categorizing expenses, tracking mileage, generating invoices, it's enough to make your head spin. QuickBooks Self-Employed promises to simplify all that with a user-friendly interface and features specifically designed for the self-employed. Sounds great, right? Well, absolutely. But like any software, QuickBooks Self-Employed has its limitations. Limited features for growing businesses. Let's imagine you're a freelance graphic designer who just landed a few big contracts. Suddenly, your business is booming. QuickBooks Self-Employed might start to feel a bit cramped. While it excels at basic bookkeeping, it lacks some features crucial for scaling your business. For instance, tracking inventory or managing projects with multiple collaborators are features you won't find in QuickBooks Self-Employed. These might seem like minor details initially, but as your business grows, the absence of these features can become a major bottleneck. Imagine juggling multiple design projects, each with different clients and revisions. Suddenly, keeping track of everything in a basic bookkeeping format becomes a recipe for chaos. Not built for complex business structures, QuickBooks Self-Employed is fantastic for sole proprietors, but what about freelancers who operate as LLCs or partnerships? Here's where things get tricky. QuickBooks Self-Employed doesn't offer features specifically designed for these business structures. For example, it can't handle 1099 contractor payments or generate reports required for LLCs. Now, for a single-member LLC with straightforward finances, QuickBooks Self-Employed might still work. But if your business structure involves multiple members or complex finances, you'll need software that can accommodate those nuances. Scaling up means moving out. Let's be honest. Constantly switching software is a pain. You invest time learning the ropes, customizing features, and importing data. The thought of starting over with a new accounting software can be daunting. However, with QuickBooks Self-Employed, there's a good chance you'll eventually outgrow its capabilities. This can be a major disadvantage, especially if you're aiming for long-term growth with your freelance business. Ideally, you want accounting software that can adapt and scale alongside your business. QuickBooks Self-Employed might be a great starting point, but transitioning to a more robust accounting solution later can be a hassle. Limited customization options. Let's face it, your brand matters. Wouldn't it be nice to send invoices that reflect your unique style and professionalism? Unfortunately, QuickBooks Self-Employed offers limited customization options for invoices. You're stuck with basic templates that lack the ability to incorporate your branding elements. While this might seem like a minor detail, professionalism is key in the freelance world. Sending out generic invoices can make you look less polished and established. Repetitive reconnection issues. Many users report frequent issues with QuickBooks Self-Employed disconnecting from their bank accounts. This can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you're relying on the software to automatically import transactions and categorize expenses. Having to manually reconcile accounts can be a major time suck. QuickBooks Self-Employed is a solid choice for freelancers just starting out. It offers a user-friendly interface, basic bookkeeping features, and functionality specifically designed for tracking self-employed income and expenses. However, it's important to be aware of its limitations. If you have a growing business with complex needs, QuickBooks Self-Employed might not be the best long-term solution. The lack of scalability, limited features, and customization options could hinder your growth. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.